brand has been built on two pillars. One is quality and one is safety.
We deliver what we promise.
When your foundation is good, the rest of the building can be completed fairly easily.
Loyal channel partners who are dealing with us since ages.
25 to 30% of the factories replaced by this solar power, which is green power.
When a new person joins in the company, everybody is given an opportunity to prove yourself.
Any youngster, anyone who has a passion and who wish to become a successful, there is no end, there is no bar.
Faith, ethics, innovation, customer-centric, synergetic. These are the core values of Finolex. Finolex has strengthened India and its development.
These attributes are there in every product. It doesn't matter whether you go into wire and cable or the electrical product lines, or tomorrow in whichever product the company ventures, we will ensure that we will stand by our promise.
Finolex Wires and Cables is the market leader in electrical wires. Industries, offices and residences are strengthened by LAN cables. India's smart cities, including the metros to the railways, everything is powered by HT cables and optics. Education, communication and security are boosted by fiber cables. Uninterrupted entertainment is flowing through the length and breadth of the country by fiber optic and coaxial cables. Telecommunication reaches the interiors through jelly-filled telephone cables. Finolex caters to every need and thus offers electrical wires for every segment of the market.
So the brand has been built on two pillars. One is quality and one is safety.
Finolex was born nearly 60 years ago.
We were then supplying some goods by getting from Bombay to some dealers, but mostly we were filling up tenders for the army. Since the wires became known to us, we bought a machine made in India in Surat with my elder brother, that's Ramchand Bhagwan Das and Company. I started making flexible wires.
Finolex word is coming from the word fine and flexible. So the FIN comes from fine and the other part comes from the word flexible. Name Finolex has turned into a brand, and the brand is associated now with quality, safety, long life.
Mr. P.P. Chabria and his brother, they set up the organization with certain values behind them. Make sure that you deliver what you promise. Make sure that you are fair in your dealings with your stakeholders.
Finolex has always strived to offer better products as well as deliver them on time. To achieve this, the company has set up multiple modern state-of-the-art plants spread across various parts of the country. Finolex has also grown leaps and bounds by expanding itself to varied range of products as well as backward integration.
Finolex has increased its focus on growing electrical consumer product range along with strengthening our wire and cable portfolio. Today's consumer seeks products that deliver not only functional benefit, but they aspire for technologically advanced product and superior aesthetics to help them live better and smarter.
As a culture, Finolex has a backward integration. So in fiber optic, we make our own optical fibers. We also make our own FRP rods. We also make our own impregnated glass rovings. We also make our own ARP rods. This gives control on quality. This ensures timely delivery of my product. This also reduces cost of the product.
The year 2021 witnessed the foray into the new product categories like conduit, The year also saw brand launching new innovative product in our existing portfolio of fans, water heater, MCB, switchgears and lighting categories. We have also launched an affordable wire range to meet the needs of the specific customer.
Finolex believe that businesses can actually make an impact for a sustainable future. So the Urse factory, which is over 100-acre land, is powered by our solar power plant that we've set up. It's 5 megawatt and about 25 to 30% of the annual power is generated by this green power annually. Finolex also focuses on water waste management, and we do a lot of rainwater harvesting activities and also waste management all around the factories.
After JFTC, when we started working on the company and rebuilding it, so while we have a good product, good marketing skills, the people on the ground, the channel partners also played a good role in building our brand.
The journey of Finolex has just begun. There are miles to go, abundant to achieve, and numerous more products to create.
We are targeting that in about 5 years, we should become a 10,000 crore company from the present 3,000 crores. The vision is that we want to grow two ways, organically and inorganically. We are looking to find a good acquisition which fits in with the company's goals, and it's got to be a product which is in the same alignment as the products which we've got. Some new products, but in the electrical product line. We are also having brownfield and greenfield projects going on in the company.